Russian hellhole. In the 1980s, Soviet scientists drilled over 12 kilometers into the Earth at the Kola super-deep borehole. But instead of discovery, they claimed to find terror. A heat-proof mic was lowered, and what came back was chilling. The sound of millions of screaming voices echoing from deep underground. Temperatures spiked, equipment failed, and the project was abandoned. The audio, known as the sounds of hell, was leaked and aired by Christian radio before mysteriously vanishing. Some say it was a hoax, others believe they drilled straight into hell, and here is that sound now.